So I think most people know you as the boss, the face of Tesla, the decision maker. For those who, just for some context, how do you spend time at Tesla? What do you do?
I think probably a lot of people don't realize I'm like basically just in the factory in design or engineering meetings or production. So that's like 80–90% of the time. I think sometimes people think I spend a lot of time on Twitter.
Sure.
I don't know why they would think that. Most of my time is spent, well, at least in the last several months especially, going around the factory and then working on, say, the paint shop, the body shop where we weld up the body, the final assembly where we put all the parts together, and then if I'm not here, I'm at the Gigafactory in Nevada.
So my question is, how, aside from making great products, how do you get people excited about Tesla? There's a lot of people I know and that I talk to who are just intrigued and interested and excited about Tesla as a company.
The thing I really focus on at Tesla is like really put all of my money into and attention into trying to make the product as compelling as possible. So, because I think that really the way to sell any product is through word of mouth. So if somebody gets the car, they really like it, and actually the key is like to have a product that people will love. And generally people, if they're at a party or talking to friends or whatever, you'll talk about the things that you love. But if you just like something, it's okay. You're not going to care that much. But if you
get
love
the reactions from the highs and the lows,
yeah,
so you got to make sure people really love it.
You're gonna talk, and then that'll generate word of mouth. And that's basically how our sales have grown. Like we don't spend any money on advertising or endorsements or so anyone like buys our car, they just bought it because they like the car, and it's genuine.